Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I wanted to share a quick and easy way to switch out the backgrounds of your phone. So I just have a clear case that's got some glitter background, so I was kind of getting tired of just having a clear case, so I wanted to do something different, and I don't really want to buy a bunch of cases, so this is just an easy way to switch up the look of your phone case without purchasing a bunch of cases. So what I did there was just traced my phone case on a piece of construction board, and then you'll use this as a template to trace any of your other scrapbook paper to switch out your backgrounds. And then to get where the hole is for your camera, I use an X-Acto knife. That way it's just a little bit easier to cut to make your template. And once I had that cut, I fit it into my phone case. I noticed it was a little snug, so I just kind of trimmed up the edges a little bit. Don't take off too much all at once. Just kind of trim it a little bit just to get it into a nice fit. It's hard to trace the inside of your phone, so that's why I did the outside, and then I knew that I'd probably have to trim off a little bit of the edges in order for the template to fit. So now you can go on and trace any of your fun scrapbook paper or any construction paper that you have laying around to make all sorts of templates for your phone. I feel like I did this probably years ago when I first got an iPhone. I bought a clear case and I bought all this like cool paper, and then I just never went back to using it. So I just thought I'd bring it back. I know probably people have shared this kind of thing before, but I just thought it was a fun little project that you could even do with your kids if they have phones or iPads and have a clear case already. And I believe I got this case from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. If I can find it, I'll try to link it for you guys in the description. Thank y'all so much for flying by today. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon.